Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make roles on Discord server mobile. Open the Discord app, tap your server name to open settings, then choose roles and tap the plus icon to create a new role. Set a name, pick a color, and save. Next, assign permissions and drag roles to order them. I'll walk you through common permission choices and quick tips to avoid mistakes. Start by thinking about what each role should be able to do and who needs which powers. Open the role, toggle specific permissions such as manage messages or view channels, and avoid giving admin unless necessary. Use the role hierarchy to ensure moderators cannot alter owner roles. Test a role with a test account or a trusted friend before assigning it widely to avoid accidental access or privileges being too broad. To assign roles quickly, open a member's profile from the member list, tap Manage User Roles, and toggle the roles you want them to have. Assign colors for easier visual organization and create helper roles for temporary tasks like event staff or bots. Keep a clear naming convention so roles are understandable at a glance. Finally, double-check that newly assigned roles have the correct permissions to prevent accidental access or restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.